All right, having fun here with Adobe Express and some vector graphics. Here's my robot animation. That was the end of it. There it goes. Watch that head spin. So what if you had like 10 of these robots with their heads spinning on a video? That'd look kind of cool. Get some attention. Then I got another one here, a coffee cup with a heart beating. All right, so you can use these to make MP4s, animated GIFs. Let's do it. And I went to Free Pick to get the coffee cup. I just went to the home page and typed in coffee cup. And then I sorted by vectors on the left. And there it is. Download it. Get it on your desktop. Double click to unzip. And get the EPS file ready to go. Encapsulated PostScript, the generic vector graphic format. And then let's go to Adobe Stock and search vectors for robot. And you might want to sort by vectors is good, right? And so here's my robot I got. And so I don't know if you have access to either of these or just go to some other site. Vector AI, yes, download. And get it on your desktop so you're ready to go. All right, so .ai Illustrator file format. So let's try chucking them into Adobe Express and see what happens. So I'm going to use the coffee cup, and I get a unsupported file type in red. We support photos, videos, and files, PDF, PSD, Photoshop, and AI, not artificial intelligence, but Illustrator. So, okay. So what I did is I went over to VectorPea.com. I've used PhotoPea before, but it was pretty easy, right? So here you can see you can select each individual group or point and path. You could edit them, but I'm just going to go to File, Export, and export, save as AI on my desktop. And even though it says PSD, that's fine, because what's going to happen is I get this error, and I'm going to be able to select .ai, which then will make it easy to import to Adobe Express. And you could use Illustrator, but I think it's just so convenient with these browser-based applications. Okay, open up. And you can try this with Photoshop too, but Photoshop seems to have more layers. Like this is only 9 layers, so it's kind of easy to work with. All right, so you can come and target the heart, add an animation, loop, and pulse, or whatever fits your creative needs. And you can edit it in the timeline if you want. So let's do the robot. It was a little trickier. Robot came in at like 50 layers. So if you go back to Adobe Express homepage and get your robot AI.ai file, and sometimes they have AIT, like .ait file extensions, and I just deleted the T and that worked. So we're going to convert it, the second option. But pretty cool how you can take advantage of some professional artwork, and all you have to do is drag and drop or change the file type and import, and you're off to the races. So here, this one came in at 52 layers, and I was able to like marquee drag. Let's see if I can open this up, then it'll let me. All right, so the hard part was getting the head selected. So I wanted to, there we go. So I wanted to select just like the 8 layers that made up the head and then group them. And so now I got those in a group, and then I can come and do my animation with I think I did this spin one. So, all right, now I got my animations, and you can add your marketing message, and I hope you have fun with taking vector graphics from the web, importing them to Adobe Express, and animating them.